This is 23 Leisure Road. Hi, I'm Chelsea. This property sits on 3 acres. Let's go take a look. This additional building offers storage, extra parking, and even a workshop. How about we take a look inside? This nice outdoor space with 2 covered porches is perfect to enjoy any time of the day. With over 2,800 square feet, it has 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. Check out this large crawl space for plenty of extra storage. Thank you for viewing this property with me today. If you'd like to see it in person, give me a call.